Outdated tech is costing you more than you think. The systems are overdue for an upgrade, but there's always something more urgent. Do you feel like you never have time for upgrades? Only time to keep things from falling apart. But here's the truth. Outdated systems aren't just inefficient, they're a hidden expense. That's where Apogee Corporation makes the difference. As your outsourced IT partner, we do more than fix problems. We prevent them. We provide proactive monitoring, regular patching, and clear IT roadmaps, so your systems stay secure, updated, and aligned with your goals. With Apogee, you move from firefighting to forward planning. Apogee Corporation, an extension of your IT team that keeps your business moving forward. Work smarter, work safer, with absolute confidence. Outsourced IT that just gets it done. Visit apogeecorp.com